If you want to learn how to enable MMS on iPhone, just keep on watching because we prepared a step-by-step tutorial for you. Just open Settings and scroll down until you see the Messages icon. This is just below Phone. Once you press Messages, just scroll down until you see the option to turn on MMS. In my case, however, I only have a Send in SMS option and I do not have the Send in MMS option. If you have the MMS option, however, just press the button beside it to turn it on. For those that do not have the option to enable MMS on their phone, according to Google, this happens because your carrier does not allow you to do so. If this is the case, there's not much that you can do. As you can see here, if you don't see an option to turn on MMS messaging or group messaging on your iPhone, then your carrier might not support this feature. Some phone models also do not have this feature yet, so just check Settings and the Messages option to check if you can enable MMS on your phone. That's all for this video, and if this helped you, as always, don't forget to press like and subscribe.